Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to highlight duplicate values in Microsoft Excel. This feature is very useful when checking lists such as names, IDs, or product numbers to find repeated entries. Let's begin. First, open your Excel spreadsheet. Now select the column or range of cells where you want to find duplicate values. For example, you may select a list of names or email addresses. Next, go to the Home tab. Click Conditional Formatting. From the menu, choose Highlight Cells Rules. Then click Duplicate Values. A small window will appear where you can choose the highlight style. By default, Excel highlights duplicate values with a red background. Click OK. Excel will immediately highlight all duplicate entries in the selected range. This makes it very easy to identify repeated values. And that's how you highlight duplicate values in Excel.